What up, YouTube, man? We back with another vlog, man. Like I say, man, today y'all already know about the title. I'm about to go meet up with my guy, man. He got the flatbed truck. We running that one under our authority now, officially, and we going to look for trailers today, man. So we looking for like 30-foot trailers or whatever. So, you know what I'm saying? It's about to go down, man. My boy Wale just pulled up in the mix.
Yes, sir. I ain't gonna lie, I had to go change, boy. I had a whole jacket on. It was hot. You saw I went to go take that jacket off.
I already know. Alright, y'all, man, so I'm about to take y'all on the journey, man. Deja didn't want to ride, so I'm gonna come back and get her after we look for the trailers and everything, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all hang out with us today, bro. Let's get it. Alright. Sure, man, so we in the market looking for trailers. Like I say, man, we got a flatbed truck now, so we're looking at this 32-foot trailer. Trying to make some money, man. Trying to make some big moves, man. Definitely trying to make some big moves, man. So I got the truck pulling up right now. The guy's like 7 minutes out, so you know what I'm saying. We about to chop it up. We doing a rent to own, so the rent to own is like $1,800 down, and you know what I'm saying. You just pay your little month, you know, your little monthly note or whatever. So come check out the trailer. These are pretty good trailers. He gonna make it legal. Of course, we non-CDL, but he gonna make it legal. But these are pretty good trailer, man. It's definitely a pretty good trailer. Yeah, definitely a pretty good trailer. Got the ramps already at the back too. You know what I'm saying? So, and it's a King Ranch. I mean, a Ranch King trailer. So, yeah. All right, JD gang, man. Like I say, man, new ventures, man. We moving on to the flatbed. Well, we're not moving on. We still got our box trucks, but we moving on to flatbeds right now, man. Just to, you know what I'm saying, getting that venture. If you don't know, like in Texas, man, flatbeds are pretty good in Texas, especially in the summertime. A lot of houses being built, which I learned that from Chris TV, you know what I'm saying? But we make a lot of money with this, man. We're not gonna be the ones driving it, of course, but we is gonna show y'all a lot of footage with the flatbed, man. So we're gonna go in here and talk numbers, and we're waiting on the truck to pull up right now, you know, so we can get everything, get the facts right, and get everything going. So y'all stay tuned for the next part of the video, man. We got it. Everything. I already know. I'm getting shit on you, man. I know you the man with the plan. Nah, but hell yeah, like I said, this the one though, 32 feet trailer. This is everything. Non-CDL. Non-CDL. You gonna make it non-CDL. You gonna do it, make it do what it do. It's wood too. Wood is the best one to get, you know what I'm saying? They don't like the steel shit. Every broker don't like the steel shit. The shippers, I mean, they don't like the steel. So this is actually perfect, bro. And it's a Ranch King, so it's good. You know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna break on you, ain't none of that. And you got the, like I said, you got the ramps in the back of it. So yeah, that's like the yeah. Alright, y'all, man. Got my boy right here, man. Definitely about to make some money, man. Just partnered up. Oh yeah. You know what I'm saying? Definitely about to get this bag, man. So y'all stay tuned, man, for the next part. We about to go talk to the salesman and see what we can work out. Right. Also, too, man, my boy, man, came out. Risk taker, man. I'm giving that to him, man. We all take risk out here, man. You got to take a risk, man, to get this money.
Can't be scared to spend your money.
Got to get that money, man. So, like I say, we about to talk to the salesman, man. We'll be back, y'all. What up, YouTube? Like I say, man, we looking for trailers, man. It's so hard to find trailers out here, man. I think we're gonna go ahead. He gonna finance, you know what I'm saying, a brand new one. All the used ones, man, they gone. They got one trailer out there in Wichita, Texas, man. It's like 16,000. It's a 30-foot. I think it's a 33-foot, you know what I'm saying, flatbed. But, you know what I'm saying, it was unsuccessful today, you know what I'm saying. But, so the initial goal is, man, we're gonna shop around. We're gonna see if we can find something that's used. If not, man, we're gonna go, you know what I'm saying, finance, you know, at the other place. It was like a rent to own thing, man. I think it was like about $1,700 down and, you know, monthly payment or whatever. So, you know what I'm saying, we definitely gonna get it popping, man. Somebody go back to the house, pick up Deja, man, and, you know what I'm saying, about do what we do, man. Definitely, you know what I'm saying. Alright, y'all, so I was gonna come back and pick up Deja, man, but Deja is real, well, she's not real sick, but she's just not feeling well right now. So I'm just let her sleep or whatever. But I do want to talk to y'all, man. Like I say, the seminar is coming up, man, June 18th, man. So it's gonna be in Houston, Texas. It's gonna be from 12 noon to 4 p.m., man. Tickets are going on sale May 17th. May 17th is the day the tickets are going on sale. Like I say, we're gonna be live in Houston, Texas. It's only 40 slots. We will sell out the venue. So For all y'all in the comments saying we not gonna sell it out, we're gonna prove y'all wrong, man. If we don't, oh well, you know what I'm saying? We keep it moving. We're gonna do another one. But we're gonna sell it out, man. I already know we're gonna sell it out. So it's just a journey for me, and I love it, man. Like I said, we risk takers, and that's why we doing it. We sticking to our word. It's a way of life. We risk takers, man. So even if we don't sell it out, hey, we're gonna take another risk, and we're gonna take another risk after that, and we're gonna take another risk after that. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully, man, to see y'all there, man. Shout out to the guys in Dallas that's already hitting me up about the seminar. Y'all waiting on us to come to Dallas for the seminar. So hopefully y'all drive down to Houston, man. It's only three or 4 hours away. So you know what I'm saying? So hopefully, too, man, everybody's being safe out here, being successful. You know, the DOT police is out here, I think from the 17th through the 19th, if I'm not mistaken. So make sure y'all log in their time. Make sure everything is right. Your tires are right. Your loads are the correct weight. It's not overweight, because they is out here, man. So like I said again, man, June 18th is the seminar. We giving the game back. Oh, y'all say we giving the game back, man. We showing y'all how to start y'all trucking company, man, from A to Z. If you already have your trucking company going and you need to learn how to master Amazon, we showing y'all how to master Amazon, where you can only do one load a night or maybe one load a day, depending on your market. But we showing y'all how to perfect the Amazon relay as well. We showing y'all how to dispatch. We showing y'all how to start your dispatching company in case you just don't want to run any trucks no more. You don't want to be on the road. You don't want to deal with any drivers. We showing y'all how to start your dispatch company. So we showing y'all everything, man, at this seminar. And if you want to join the mentorship, that money that you spending for the seminar, it can go towards the mentorship. So if you want to take it a step further, y'all can do that as well, man. So you know what I'm saying? I'm excited, man, and I look to seeing y'all. I look to seeing all of y'all out there, man. And we may have another influencer there. We may have some more influencers there, man. Like us, we may have some YouTube influencers there that's gonna come give y'all the game too. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to have my mentor there. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to have a CDL person now. This guy been doing box trucks. He been doing 18 wheelers. You know what I'm saying? I may have him now just to get a game. You know what I'm saying? So we can get both sides. You can get the non-CDL side, and you can get the CDL side of the trucking too. So you know what I'm saying? I look forward to seeing y'all all there, man. And I'm just really excited, man. Let's get to the money, man. Also too, man, our website is almost done. It should be complete today. So I'm gonna drop another video with the website on there. That way y'all can go directly to our website and just purchase your tickets on there, your pre-sale tickets and everything like that. So, and you'll be able to sign up for your mentorships if y'all want to do that, consultations, all of the stuff will be on our website, man. It'll be on our official website. So all right, man, so we out, man. Like I say, JD gang, y'all stay cool. Y'all stay cool. How y'all been cool, man, and make all this money y'all can, man. Like I say, don't worry about the fuel prices. Make your money, man. Do what you gotta do. These bugs is really killing.